Welcome back, and in case this happens to be your first time, please do me a favor to make sure you subscribe. Now, in case you don't know, Sha'carri Richardson is no longer the Sha'carri you used to know. Sha'carri Richardson is now a totally different athlete, and she has been sending a lot of warnings. Now, do not get me wrong, because what I mean is Sha'carri Richardson is sending warning because she is no longer that athlete that will come to social media and be dragging other athletes and be using quotes to reply to athletes. She is no longer that kind of athlete. Sha'carri Richardson has totally transformed into a new being. She is focused, she is concentrated on herself. And the most amazing part about Sha'carri Richardson now is that she no longer has time for her haters. She no longer spare time for people who don't like her. She is just focusing on developing herself and being the best version of herself. That is why I said she is sending a warning to the Jamaicans. The fact that she is focusing on herself, that means she wants to take over the Jamaicans. We all know the Jamaicans, they have been dominating and be getting the 100-meter gold in the female sprinting event. But with Sha'carri Richardson focusing on herself this year, things were totally different. We all saw what happened in Budapest World Athletic. And Sha'carri Richardson, even after winning the Budapest 100-meter gold, she is not coming to social media to boast about it. Rather, she is staying humble and just focusing on Paris Olympic. That is why I said she is sending a warning. That is why I clearly stated that Sha'carri Richardson has a warning, because the Jamaicans need to know that she is no longer the former Sha'carri. The Jamaicans need to know that this Sha'carri has totally transformed. The Jamaicans need to know that this Sha'carri has no time for her haters. Rather, she is just focusing on herself and getting better. Let me know what you think in the comments.